Y'all were right. Jamaica's just too much. I gotta go back to Atlanta. Y'all win. I'm getting all numbed up. Look how cute this is. Why did I get there and the place is... What am I doing? I think this is the tiniest camera I've ever seen. I'm playing. I'm not... So I am going back to Atlanta, but I'm only going for like a week. My friend is having a baby shower, so... And I need to go to the orthodontist and get my Invisalign looked at because I'm almost done. I think I have 10 trays left in my Invisalign. And I bought a whole bunch of things on Amazon, so I gotta get that from my old... So that's what I went back for, but I'll be back in a week. So help me pack. I'm being cheap right now, and I'm trying to not check a bag on the way there. So I'm just trying to pack a duffel bag for 1 week. I'm not planning to go anywhere other than like run errands, so I'm gonna bring one date night outfit though, because you never know what happens when you're in the city. You might get a date. I have this tiny pink suitcase that I'm gonna bring, and I'm gonna try to put the duffel bag in the tiny pink I'm gonna try to put the duffel bag in the tiny pink suitcase. I just realized it is 0 degrees in Atlanta. Warm clothes. I gave away all my warm clothes when I was leaving. I'm gonna bring a t-shirt. We got one long sleeve shirt. I'm wearing this to the airport. I have these brown pants. Oh, but I can't wear sandals. I'm gonna wear sandals. I'm gonna wear heels. So I have this like brown pant set that comes with a matching top. So I'm gonna bring this too. This like brown corset top. It has like a sleeve, this long sleeve. It's all my outfits with jeans because I have no warm clothes. This is so bad. All right, I'm about to go pack this bag. I got my clothes all up in the bag and everything. I'm gonna pack all my makeup in the morning because I'm probably gonna do a quick little face before I head out and get my hair washed and flat ironed and stuff. You know, I gotta get Atlanta ready. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. and I'm late for the hair salon. So here's the thing, I have to try to get my hair washed, flat ironed. Someone just invited me on a boat. So I'm trying to see if I can wash, flat iron, go on the boat, then make it to the airport by 3. I think I could do it. Guys, this is not funny. Why did I get there and the place is closed? Girl luck. There's nobody answering the phone. Guys, oh my God. The employee that's supposed to be here is late, which is why this is closed. So I'm just sitting here now. And it's also not my usual hairstylist that's here. I didn't know she doesn't come on Saturdays. So kids, this is a lesson in not putting things off until the last minute. Finally back home from this hair salon. My hair is nice and pressed out. I still have to like blend in a little bit of the pieces because I don't know, for some reason they don't like to put that wax stick on there and just melt your hair into the hair. They charged me $6 grand, but my hair is now straight and I'm really happy with it. This lady kept burning me. She kept burning my scalp while she was silk pressing, and it started to make me really irritated. The outcome is really nice though, and she did a good job, so I can't be too mad. Food time. I got this Indian food from Nirvana, by the way. Next time y'all see me, we're gonna be in the airport getting on a plane to Atlanta. See y'all soon. Bye. Forgot to like start the vlog when I got back here. It's been about 3 days, but all I did was go to one of my friend's baby showers, which was really, really, really beautiful. And now I'm back in Atlanta. I'm visiting my best friend at my old apartment. You guys want like an old apartment tour? This is the Sky Lounge. So there's my luggage over there, but this is the Sky Lounge. So it's at the top of our apartment building, and it's just like a little lounge deck area. You can see the views of Atlanta right here. Oh, I can't open that for some reason, but look, you can see the whole Atlanta skyline. We're in Buckhead right now. And we can't get outside right now, but the top of this apartment has 2 pools. And look, that's what outside looks like. I can't get outside because it's locked because it's winter. But that's our pool. And yeah, just more views of Atlanta. So I'll show you my Yeah, so I'll show you my apartment when my best friend gets here, or like my old apartment, or what it used to look like when she gets here. Obviously, because I don't have a key to get in there. But yeah, it's in this building on the 17th floor, and it has like nice floor to ceiling windows. But you'll see. Aww, apartment. What a vibe. I was living good, not really just up and left, huh? It's so cute. Oh, this is my old room. It's too cold to go outside. But look at the view. Oh, I miss this view. I bought every single thing I think I'm gonna need for the next year on Amazon because I didn't feel like paying twice as much for these things in Jamaica. So this is what I have here, and I have my new vlogging camera in here though, so I'm so excited to show you guys. But if you want to see everything else I got, also check out my TikTok because that's where I posted that video. I'll leave my TikTok handle in the description bar below, and follow my Instagram. That'll also be in the description bar below because I also posted it on my stories, and if you're following me there, you'd have seen it. Okay, let's get into this vlogging camera. This is everything that comes in the box. I think this is the actual camera. Not sure what this is yet, but we're about to find out. And then this is just like the instructions. All right, it comes with all these little things, which I don't know what they are. Like, they look like little adapter things. I'm just gonna leave them right there because I don't know. In this one, we got a screw for something. We got I want to say that's a battery, maybe. This. Let's unbox the actual camera now. Look, it looks like a little gun. I think this is the tiniest camera I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at this. Before I switch over, look how cute this is. Look. It has a little tiny tripod. Guys, if I don't vlog after all of this, beat my ass. Fight me. If you see me on the streets, fight me. No, not for real, I'm playing, but for real, if I don't vlog after this, beat my butt. Good morning. It's about day 3 in Atlanta now, I think. By the way, we have switched over now to filming on that tiny vlogging camera that I bought. Anyway, something super exciting is happening today that I can't tell you about yet. I just want you to experience it. Anyway, let's just go. I'm gonna stop talking about it. Let's just go. Cat's out of the bag. I am getting a fillers and botox consultation today. I'm just waiting for the doctor to come in and see me, so I'm just sitting here like chilling.
So how I like to approach face, how old are you?
23.
23, okay. So when I look at you, it's all about like facial balancing. You know, I don't really see a lot of aging. Most of that I see that when I correct is that facial balancing and just making your face more.
She continued to explain to me like what she recommended for my face as far as like facial balancing goes, and then she quoted me around $4,000 for all of that, which of course I'm not doing that today, but it was really cool to see the process, and I'll let you guys know what I decide to get later on in the video.
I'm getting all numbed up. What am I doing? Oh my god. I didn't get everything done that I said I was gonna get done. Like, I chickened out at some point. I saw her putting the numbing cream on my lips and my chin, and I was like, I'm scared, okay, wait. So all I did was I got Botox in my forehead and over here to slightly lift my eyebrows. You can't see it yet. It takes 3 to 7 days to kick in, so you can't see anything yet. And I also got my under eyes filled. I didn't get a full syringe though, so my under eyes aren't super filled. There's still some hollowness, but I wanted to start with half a syringe just to see, and then I'm probably gonna go back whenever I come back to Atlanta and get like a touch. Like, she said I needed my chin filled, which I can see what she means, because basically like your tip of your nose, your lips, and your chin is supposed to line up so that it looks symmetrical, but mine doesn't. I know that. I'm just not ready to mess with my face that much. That's what we did today, and now I'm about to freshen up my hair and do my makeup because I have a interview for a TV show. I can't tell y'all much about that yet because I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm gonna get myself together and get dressed and look cute. Just wanted to show you guys that, you know, I come out here looking crazy half the time, but when I fix up, I can look good, you know. Just wanted to let you guys know. I need to go get dressed for this interview though, so but I was like, let me show them that. Let me see. Yeah, mom, look. I was like, let me show them some I can look good sometime though, because I be coming on here first thing on the morning, face look crazy, crusty eye, everything. So just let y'all know, I be getting cute sometimes. My hair don't brush out yet. I'm going to brush out these curls when it's closer to the time for the interview so they don't drop. But yeah, hair can't do up, face can't do up, I can't look good. Anyway, time to put on clothes. Bye. Good morning. This is my last day in Atlanta, guys, and let me tell you what we got on the schedule tonight. I'm gonna go get a wax at this place called Sweet Peach Wax, and they do some of the best full body waxes ever that I've ever experienced. Honestly, can't even complain. And then after that, we're gonna go to dinner at this really cute place called Yebo Beach House. We're gonna vlog it. It's gonna be real cute. Also have another interview for that TV show. And I can't tell y'all what it is, but wouldn't it be exciting to see me on TV? Like, wouldn't that be like kind of wild? Like, oh, I used to watch her on TikTok, now she on TV, you know? And that is gonna be it for Atlanta, and then I'm gonna fly out tomorrow. So if you made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much, and like, comment, and subscribe if you love spending this week with me. I'm gonna keep doing these on a weekly basis, so hopefully eventually y'all will catch on and start to like. I'm super excited to bring y'all along with me for the day. I know I look crazy right now, but y'all know I always come on the internet looking kind of crazy. I gotta do better, huh? I'm gonna do better for the new year. I'm gonna always come on YouTube all dolled up. Cause I feel like that's where, you know, y'all are looking at me for a real long time. I might as well look pretty. Time to go start some work and then get this wax.
Cheers.
Got it. Okay.
Thanks, Freya. Okay?
Yeah. That would've been funny. It's so like, this is like the perfect vlogging camera. I don't even have a curve. This is my friend Sheehan. I actually met her from TikTok. She's also a content creator in Atlanta. I'm gonna leave her @ on the screen, so y'all go follow her for all cute Atlanta recommendations. But this girl, she's always a good time. I don't think I've been out with her and she never had a bad time. She is just good vibes all around. I love being with her whenever I go to Atlanta. Okay, let's continue because she ran over something just now.
What the fuck was that? It was a code. It was a code.
Oh, okay. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Wow. Why is my camera angled? I don't live in this country. It's cold. It's brick outside. This music be moaning for a while. Good morning, people. It is 7:30 in the morning, and I'm waiting for my ride so I can get to the airport. As you can see, I'm barely awake right now, but waiting for my ride so I can go to the airport, and that's it for my week in Atlanta. About to touch down in Jamaica soon and get back to regular life. So if you made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me this week. Love you guys, and I'll see you when I'm back in Jamaica.